about 6:30 in the morning, and I just was inspired to get up and start my day at the cabin. There's the cabin down there. So we're just gonna park and make our way down. Right now, the temperature is just below 30 degrees Fahrenheit. We definitely need to make a fire, so that is going to be the first order of business here. I was smart to have prepared some kindling last time. So a lot of times what I do when I'm building fires in the wood stove down here is I try to use really soft woods if I have them to just get it going and start generating some heat. All right, so this stuff is definitely burning. I think we can safely put a piece of hardwood on there. Ooh, look at the fire coming through that hole. That's pretty rad. Yeah, that guy will catch nicely. It's gonna be warm in no time. While we wait for the water to boil, let's go outside and just kind of take a look around. Oh, so the turkeys are out. Yes, yes. Okay, let's turn you off. Okay. One of the things I love about where the bed is here is just how the window is right in front of you. In fact, just yesterday, a coyote ran through right here. I heard something coming and I thought, oh, maybe it's a squirrel because they're really loud in the leaves. But the coyote just came right through here and made his way along the hillside and over the hill. I love to get up early and just like get after it. And it's so tempting for me to wake up and go straight to my phone or to my computer and start working on whatever I need to work on. That's why it's super important for me to get ahead of that. Keep the first things first. God, family, and then all the other stuff. And we're gonna work our way up into the woods this way. This is where I saw the coyote go yesterday. Ooh, deer, there's deer. There they go. Even though they tore off running, they're very curious. As you can see, this guy's just checking me out. I just love the view of the cabin from up here. Really feels like you're in the mountains or something, you know, making your way over a ridge line, and it's a cool view. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just noticed something. We have things spying on us. Look at the deer. As I came in the door and was just kind of like about to get into bed, I just look up and I'm like, are there two people up on the hill there just like spying on the cabin? And I'm like, no, those are deer. How incredible is that? Seriously, you guys, like, this is what I'm talking about. It's just like a portal into nature. I love it. They don't even know I'm here. Well, guys, I think that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me down here at the cabin this morning. I'm just so grateful for your support. It really, really means a lot. And just how nice and how special is it to be able to start our day here, getting to take things slowly, start our day in prayer, reflection, seeing animals, and really just living simply. I just think it's the best. And I'm so grateful for you guys coming along on this journey. As always, I hope you have a blessed day, and we'll see you later.